The holiday season is just around the corner, and while it's a time for joy and celebration, it can also be incredibly hectic. Today we're sharing 5 ways to prepare for the holiday season and stay productive, all while keeping that spark of joy alive. Let's begin, shall we? Imagine this. You're holding your favorite warm beverage, perhaps a cup of spiced tea or a mug of rich cocoa, and in your hands rests your holiday schedule. Begin by gathering your calendar, a pen that glides effortlessly across the page, and perhaps some colorful markers to infuse this process with even more joy. The act of planning can be a delightful ritual in itself. Now close your eyes for a moment and envision your ideal holiday season. Picture the twinkling lights, the laughter of loved ones, and the warmth that fills the air. What does it look like? Who are you surrounded by? What activities make your heart sing? Is it the cozy family dinners, the festive parties, or the quiet moments of reflection? Open your eyes and let those joyful images guide you as you begin to fill in your calendar. Let your heart lead the way. Jot down all the key dates, holiday gatherings, festive outings, travel plans, and any other commitments that arise during this special time of year. Each date is a promise of joy and connection. As you write each one, pause and visualize yourself fully present in that moment, experiencing the joy it brings. Feel the excitement build as your calendar fills with meaningful moments. Don't feel limited by the confines of a traditional calendar grid. Think outside the box. Let your creativity flow. Perhaps you prefer a visual representation of your schedule, using sticky notes or colorful index cards to map out each week. This can make the planning process even more engaging and fun. Or maybe a digital calendar with customizable reminders brings you a sense of calm and organization. Technology can be a wonderful ally in keeping your plans on track. Remember, this schedule is not meant to be rigid or overwhelming. It's a living document that can adapt as needed. It's a flexible framework, a gentle guide to help you navigate the holiday season with grace and ease. Adjust it as you go, ensuring it continues to serve your needs. By creating a schedule that reflects your values and priorities, you're giving yourself the gift of a more joyful and fulfilling holiday season. Embrace the process and let it bring you closer to the moments that matter most. Close your eyes and imagine this. You step into your home, and a sense of tranquility washes over you. The air feels lighter, brighter, and a gentle calm pervades every corner. This, my friends, is the transformative power of a decluttered space, a haven of peace amidst the joyful chaos of the holidays. Start by choosing a small area, perhaps a cluttered countertop or a drawer overflowing with holiday decorations. Remember, even small acts of tidying can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. As you hold each item in your hands, ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in my life? If the answer is yes, then find a designated space for it. For those items that no longer spark joy, thank them for their service and bid them farewell. Decluttering is not about deprivation, it's about making space for what truly matters. A clutter-free environment fosters a sense of peace and clarity, allowing us to fully embrace the true spirit of the holidays. It's about creating a space where joy can flourish, where connections can deepen, and where memories can be made. As the holiday season unfolds, you'll find yourself surrounded by a sense of calm and contentment, a reflection of the peace you've cultivated within yourself and your surroundings. Chapter 3. Setting Realistic Goals. Embracing the joy of simplicity. In the midst of the holiday whirlwind, it's easy to get swept away by a tidal wave of to-do lists, expectations, and the desire to create a picture-perfect holiday experience. The pressure to meet every expectation can be overwhelming, leaving us feeling more stressed than joyful. But just like a perfectly wrapped gift, sometimes the most beautiful moments are found in the simplicity within. It's in the small, thoughtful gestures and the quiet, unplanned moments that we often find the most joy. So let's take a deep breath, my friends, and release the pressure to do it all, to be it all. Embrace the idea that it's okay to slow down and enjoy the present moment without the constant rush. Instead, let's focus on setting realistic goals. Goals that align with our values and bring us a sense of accomplishment without sacrificing our well-being. These goals should be achievable and meaningful, allowing us to feel fulfilled rather than overwhelmed. What truly matters most to you during this special time of year? Is it the laughter shared with family, the warmth of a cozy home, or the joy of giving and receiving love? Perhaps it's spending quality time with loved ones, creating new traditions, or engaging in activities that bring everyone closer together. These moments are the heart of the holiday season, or simply savoring the simple pleasures of the season. A quiet evening with a cup of hot cocoa, watching the snow fall, or enjoying a homemade cookie can be just as fulfilling as grand celebrations. Whatever brings you joy, let those priorities be your guiding stars as you set your goals. Let them illuminate the path to a more meaningful and joyful holiday experience. Instead of aiming for a Pinterest-worthy holiday feast, perhaps this year, you embrace the joy of a potluck gathering, where everyone contributes a dish and shares in the merriment. This not only lightens your load but also brings a sense of community and togetherness, where everyone contributes a dish and shares in the merriment. The laughter and stories shared over a meal can create lasting memories that are far more valuable than any elaborate spread. Or maybe, instead of showering your loved ones with an abundance of gifts, you opt for heartfelt gestures like handwritten cards or homemade treats. These simple acts of kindness can often mean more than the most expensive presents. Remember, it's perfectly acceptable to say no to commitments that don't align with your priorities, to delegate tasks, and to ask for help when needed. You don't have to do everything yourself to make the holidays special, and to ask for help when needed. Sharing responsibilities can make the holiday preparations more enjoyable and less stressful, allowing everyone to contribute and feel involved. The holidays are a time for togetherness, and that includes sharing the load and supporting one another. It's about creating a sense of unity and joy that everyone can partake in. Set realistic goals, prioritize what truly matters, and allow yourself to savor each moment of this magical season. Embrace the joy of simplicity, and let it guide you to a more fulfilling and peaceful holiday experience. Chapter 4. Prioritizing Self-Care, Nurturing the Spark Within. In the midst of the holiday hustle and bustle, it's easy to forget the most important person on our list, ourselves. But just like a garden needs tending to flourish, so too do we need to nurture our own well-being, especially during this busy season. Self-care is not a luxury, my friends. It's a necessity. It's about making conscious choices that nourish our mind, body, and spirit, allowing us to show up as the best versions of ourselves. So as you navigate the holiday season, remember to carve out moments of quietude, moments dedicated solely to your own well-being. Perhaps it's enjoying a warm bath by candlelight, indulging in a good book, or simply taking a few moments to sit in stillness and connect with your breath. Listen to your body's cues. Are you feeling fatigued, overwhelmed, or emotionally drained? These are signs that it's time to slow down, to recharge, and to prioritize your well-being. Movement is a powerful form of self-care, even during the colder months. By prioritizing our own well-being, we're better able to show up for our loved ones, to spread joy, and to fully embrace the spirit of the season. Chapter 5. Planning Your Holiday Feast, a symphony of flavors, made simple. Close your eyes and imagine the aroma of delicious food wafting through the air, a symphony of flavors that tantalize the senses and bring loved ones together around the table. The laughter, the clinking of glasses, and the warmth of shared stories create an atmosphere of pure joy. Now imagine creating this culinary masterpiece with a sense of calm and joy, knowing that you've planned ahead and simplified the process. Picture yourself moving through the kitchen with ease, every step taken with confidence and a smile on your face. Meal planning, my friends, is the secret ingredient to a stress-free holiday feast. It's the roadmap that guides you through the culinary journey, ensuring that every dish is prepared with love and precision. It's about approaching this beloved tradition with a sense of intention and organization, so you can savor each moment, from the kitchen to the dining table. When you plan ahead, you create space for spontaneity and joy, allowing the magic of the holidays to unfold naturally. Begin by creating a menu that sparks joy in your heart and satisfies the taste buds of your guests. Think about the flavors, textures, and colors that will make your feast memorable. Don't be afraid to ask for their preferences or to delegate dishes to lighten your load. Collaboration in the kitchen can lead to delightful surprises and a sense of togetherness. Remember, the holidays are about togetherness, and that includes sharing in the joy of cooking and baking. Involve your loved ones in the process, making it a fun and interactive experience for everyone. Once you have your menu, create a detailed shopping list, grouping items by category to make your grocery shopping trips more efficient. This will save you time and ensure that you don't forget any essential ingredients. Consider ordering online and scheduling deliveries to save time and reduce stress. Many stores offer convenient delivery options, allowing you to focus on the joy of cooking rather than the hassle of shopping. Are there any dishes that can be prepped in advance? Think about what can be done ahead of time to ease the workload on the big day. Perhaps you can chop vegetables the day before, making the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Bake cookies ahead of time, filling your home with the sweet aroma of holiday treats. Or even assemble casseroles and freeze them until the big day. This way you can simply pop them in the oven and focus on other tasks. By planning ahead and simplifying the process, you'll free yourself up to enjoy the true essence of the holiday meal. The connection, the laughter, and the shared moments of joy around the table. These are the moments that create lasting memories, the moments that make the holidays truly special. As we reach the end of our journey together, I hope you feel a renewed sense of energy and excitement for the holiday season ahead. By embracing the principles of tidying not just our homes but also our schedules, our minds, and our hearts, we can create a more joyful and fulfilling holiday experience. Embrace the true spirit of the holidays: connection, gratitude, and the joy of giving. Happy holidays!